All right, this is that vehicle, the Explorer, with the hybrid with the leaking condenser that was leaking so bad when it's running, you could see bubbles of oil come out of it and refrigerant bubbling. But let's do a pressure decay, not a pressure decay, let's do a vacuum decay test. So we're down here at 179 microns, and I have the system closed off, and I'm waiting for this bleeding out of vacuum because we have such a big leak at this corner in the last video. It's literally bubbling out, spluing out refrigerant. Where's that vacuum leak decay? This is why you don't use vacuum leak decay all the time for looking for leaks. You could have metal with a crack in it, but because you have an oil film and you drew it under vacuum, you literally can draw the metal tight, and just the viscosity of the oil film, just like nylon and silicone is used to seal up vacuum leaks, the oil film is sealing up the vacuum leak. But yet, under pressure, it literally bubbles and spurts out. It's losing the refrigerant so fast you can see bubbles coming out of this crack. Don't listen to the guys who say they use vacuum leak tests for their only form of leak testing and say it's all good. Don't listen to those guys. You got a shop like that that says, oh yeah, we vacuum test your vehicle and it passed the vacuum leak test. Just say, hand me my keys, goodbye, adios, and go look for another shop. That's all. See you guys later.